So today we are staying at Pines Hostel. This is the wall you can sign that you were here. It's a donation-based hostel. It's in a 6-car garage. But there's couches to sleep on. I slept here. Bunk beds. When we came in last night, they had made spaghetti for the hikers. So there was the pot of pasta just still sitting there. And, hi, you're in my video. And there was spaghetti sauce with meatballs. There was plain spaghetti sauce, and then there was also fried veggies. It was like coffee and stuff, and you can make waffles or pancakes or whatever you want. You can make whatever you want. So, it's pretty cool. But this is the inside garage. There's some people camped outside. But it seems like everyone that camped outside had condensation. Like a lot. There's charging ports. Oh my God, I wasn't even recording. I swear to God. I suck at this. I do it all the time. Anyhow, we are headed from Pines Hostel to McAfee. Should be awesome. Wolfpack is right behind us. Fun Facts is a couple days ahead of us. And Mommy, me, and Maple are 150 miles ahead of us. And Pebbles is right behind me. Ooh. That was a fun gate. A little tight. Guess we're going in the cow pastures. It's pretty warm today. I think it's going to be around 80. Ooh, it smells like cows. So, should be an exciting day up in McAfee, and I can't wait to see Wolfpack again. Whew, that's what we're smelling. Now we have pastures. Ooh, the grass is tall. Waist high. Ooh, I'm not walking in a straight line. Whew! It doesn't look rough, but that is really steep, and my picture does not show it at all. Whew! We came out of the woods like way down there. Along the creek, it was nice and cool. It was beautiful. Came out and had to climb up this. This was really, really steep, right? Especially right there. Like tippy toes walking. Sorry, I sniffed my nose. I'm trying not to do that anymore. But yeah. It's a pretty picture. Give you that. So we have that. More to do. And there's switchbacks up in here. And then we're kind of on a ridge and should be a little easier. Should be, but it's probably rocks, so we'll see. Look who's coming. Yay! Hi! Hi, boys! Haven't seen you forever.
Well,
hi.
Need to give them some money.
Okay.
When they stop here. What's up?
Not much. What's up?
Oh, they've been going for the past like mile and a half. I wanted to think it knew we were getting close.
They must. Maybe they smelled us. Family! Yay! I love how we're both. Okay, this may be the greatest moment of the AT. That is, let's see, that is a dung beetle with a dung ball. Like, really, like, that's amazing. I've never seen that in my life. And, I mean, that may be my favorite moment. Bear poop. Alright, there's the trail. This is the blue blaze. Hey guys, you made it.
Cliff right across.
Right there?
Yeah. Wow.
At the shelter when it was the TW and the other older man, it was him. He's further away from you. Yeah, that one. Yeah, but he was super nice. I got a really good one. Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought he got like a haircut or like something like that.
On the McAfee knob. Get some, there'll be a lot more pictures. Here's Jet sketchily getting onto McAfee knob. Look at her go. She is a beast.